Hi, my name is Kimberly Little, and I am going to reconstruct or restore a nose for you today using Play-Doh. So I'm going to start off with a oval shape, kind of like an oval shape that we're going to use today. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the bottom part to make sure that the bottom is a little flat. Okay, make sure that the bottom is flat. And then for the top part, it's going to be a little more narrow. It's a little narrow. Yeah. Okay, we're going to do this before we begin to make the nose. So, okay, so that is perfect. So what I'm going to do now is before I start to make the anterior nares, the calumniae, I'm going to kind of flatten the front part of the nose. Just a little bit, And then I'm going to do about a third of the nose over here on the side as I hold it to make the anterior nares. Then I'm going to go to the other side to make the interior nares as well. So while I'm doing that, making the interior nares, what this is also creating in the middle is the calumniae. Okay, and while I'm making the nares, I'm also making the wings of the nares. Okay, just a little bit, making the wings of the nares over here as well. Now, while I'm making the wings of the nares, I'm also making sure that the calumniae is always inferior to the wings. Okay? And I'm going to play with this a little bit more just so I could get it kind of like a shape of a nose. Just a little bit here. Just a little bit. And as I do this, what I'm doing now is I'm just working with the wings of the nose to kind of make it more like a nose. Okay. And I'm just going to play around with it for a little while just so I can make it in the shape that I want it to be in. So still isn't looking like a nose like I want it to look. Let's see if I could. Just kind of building it up a little bit. Try to get it to look more like a nose. Trying to do the anterior nares a little bit more to look like a nose. So once again, we have the wings, and can't make the wings too inferior, and because the calumniae has to be inferior to the wings. Okay, so all right, there we go. So there we go. As far as the nose, as you see, we have the anterior nasals right here. Then we have the wings, and then we have the calumniae that is always inferior to the wings. And this is the way that you can tell that the calumniae is inferior to the wings. Okay? All right, I have reconstructed a nose for you, and thank you.